in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to see and remove the follower of Facebook page. So if you want to remove some random followers from your Facebook page, follow these simple steps. Open your Facebook and open your Facebook page. Make sure to switch to your Facebook page. Then here you will find the followers option, and if you can't see the follower option here, then click on more and you will see the followers option. Click on followers and here you will see all of your Facebook page followers. For example, I want to remove this user from my follower list, so I'm gonna clicking on this three dot, clicking on block. So here you can see the account won't be able to see your post, tag, invite or message your page. If they follow you again, they will be removed. So all you have to need, just click on confirm, and this is how we can see and remove followers from Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.